The global metal manufacturing market, which includes processing and production, is a cornerstone of the industrial economy. Metals manufacturing encompass the processing of different metals like steel and iron, as well aluminum, copper, titanium, and high-strength alloys. As demand surges for lightweight components and faster processing, manufacturers must achieve extreme precision in forming and cutting these materials. Interface force measurement solutions provide the data required to control high-pressure forming, monitor tool wear during cutting, and manage bulk material weighing with absolute accuracy. The primary challenge in metal manufacturing is maintaining laboratory-grade precision within a punishing industrial environment. Inconsistent force application during forming or undetected tool wear during cutting can compromise structural integrity, waste raw materials, and cause costly machinery downtime. Interface addresses these challenges by providing an array of fatigue-rated, environmentally protected sensors that serve as the digital eyes and ears of the production line. Manufacturers gain the visibility required to deliver the high-quality metal components when using Interface's force measurement solutions. Built to measure. Built to perform.